Hello and welcome in our GetX tutorial. In this session we'll talk about localization. So, what is localization? Localization is to translate your application from language to different language. And why we have to use it? As we know, we have a lot of languages like Arabic, French, English, Spanish, and many different languages. So we have to use localization. First, how to use it? If I go to material app and try to get local, it will be local also. Let's give it EN. EN is the abbreviation of English. So here, the abbreviation of English, wait a moment, it will be const. Okay, English, it will be EN. Arabic, it will be ER. French, it will be FR. And you can search about other languages. Okay, now, if I try to hot restart now, the default language now is English. If I go to first screen, you will find here the back button is on the left. Okay, what if I change our application to AR, Arabic language? The back button will be on the right. As we know, Arabic language starts from right to left. From right to left. Let's hot restart now to see it. Okay, let's go to first screen and back button is here. Okay, let's first change it to EN. Now, we have to use translation text. We have to change everything in our application into localization to translate it. Here in our Get Material app there is translation. And translation here is an object from translation also. So now, let's create a folder or directory. It's called localizations. We can say it translation also. Okay, let's create a Dart file. It will be app localization. It will be class app localization extends from translation from GetX. Okay, now let's import it. Okay, where is get? Here from our GetX. Let's now override the missing one. So now, okay, here I override a map of a string. The key here is string, and the value is map of string. And the keys here is our language. Okay, let's create our language file. Here we can create a folder file, language. The first Dart file will be, okay, where is delete? The first Dart file will be EN. Second one will be AR for Arabic. And third one, for example, it will be FR for French. Okay. So here in our English language it will be map, as he said before, map of string. Okay. For example, EN equal our map. The key will be, for example, home screen. The value will be home screen. Let's create our first one. It will be home English Arabic. Okay, let's copy it. to our Arabic file. Here it will be AR. Change it to الصفحة الرئيسية. الرئيسية اللغة الإنجليزية اللغة العربية. We can copy it to our French. It will be the same like EN, I think. Okay, we can change it like here, hello. It will be Allah. No, I think Allah. I don't know a lot of French, just a little bit. Home screen, hello, English, Ingilizi, I think like that. Okay. Okay, now here it needs a map. The key here will be, the first one will be English, and the map of string it will be EN. Second one will be AR. Third one will be FR. Let's import them. Okay, now here now we extend our Apple localization from translation, so now I can import it here and call it. Okay, now let's go to our first screen, or no, it will be home screen. Let's change our here FR. I think to change it to hello. Let's see, it will be in English hello. In Arabic also it will be مرحبا. Okay, let's go to our first screen. Okay, perfect. Let's go to first screen now. It's still in Arabic language. I have to hot restart. I change it here as FR. Okay, let's try to write a text. It will be hello. As I write it before in EN, here our key, and here our key. Let's copy it here to our first screen. It will be hello, and after the string we will just write .tr. Okay, let's hot restart now. Go to first screen. Our text is hello. Okay, wait a moment. Text direction, no text align. Dot center style theme dot of context dot text theme dot body headline large. Okay, now what if I change the allo button, the allo text to English? How to start now? Go to first screen. It will be hello. What if I change it to AR? How to start now? Let's go to first screen to see it. It will be in Arabic. Okay, it's perfect now. Now I want to add a button to change the language. Okay, let's go to first screen. Okay, let's copy a button from here. It will be okay, wait a moment. Let's add another one. It will be language, okay, let's copy them to AR. I will use just only English and the Arabic language because of we will talk a lot of time. Okay, it will be اللغة. Okay, now in our first screen it will be okay, I need just this. Okay, dot tr. Let's remove the const. Okay, this button. Okay, it will be language, but I want to appear it, so now I just edit it now. So how to start to appear it? Go to first screen, you will find it in Arabic language. Let's change it to English or to change it into Arabic. So now, okay, f get.local equal I think local okay of en. It's at const. So now if the language is English language, we will change it to Arabic language. How to change it? It will be so easy. It will be get.update language. Okay, it needs a local, it will be local AR. Let's add const, else it will be en again. Let's try it now. How to start? Go to first screen. Okay, let's try to change our language. As you see now, in our main, we made our local is AR. And here we want to change it. So here now, the language is not in English, so it will be English now. Let's click on this button. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, I loved it. Let's change it again. Wow. Okay, so now I will let it in English language. Let's now how to start. What you'll find, it will be in Arabic or English language. Let's go to first screen. Why? I want it in English because I let it in English last time. Let's see it again. It is in English now. I want when I hot restart now, I need it in English like any applications. Let's go to. So why is that? Okay, this because we add a default language. The default language we added here is AR, so it always will be in AR language or Arabic language when we start the application. So how to deal with that? Okay, let's go to our first screen. We'll use get storage box equal get storage. Okay, so now it will be box.write lang, it will be AR, here it will be en, and in our main we can use get storage also, box equal get storage. Let's remove our const. Okay, let's remove this const also from here. Perfect now. So now if box.read language, if it will be equal null, we'll make here an if condition. Okay, what if it will be null? So now the local here will be en, the default language will be English, else it will be const local box.read lang. Let's remove our const from here. Perfect. So now, if the storage of language is equal null, so the default language of the application will be English, else give me the default language in your memory. Let's try it now. So now, what if I print now here, print box.read lang? For the first time it absolutely will be null. Let's see it now. It will be null, so the default language will be in English. Let's go to first screen. Okay, now I wanted to change the language. It's now in Arabic. As you see now, it's in Arabic. Let's now hot restart. Wow, it's read now, it is in Arabic language. We did it. Good job. So now if I go to first screen, you will find it in Arabic language. So now we just go to here, for example, this text, it will be, let's add a constant. I think I wanted to add as a component. Okay, let's add as a component. Okay, in our component here we'll take this text. Okay, stateless widget, it will be custom text. I need material.dart. I need this. No, it will be final string text. Final. I think not else. Okay. Okay, required text from here. It will be here text. Okay, copy it to our first screen. So now I can use it here. It will be hello.tr. Let's remove this. Let's use wrap children. Okay. The second one will be home screen. Okay, let's close on the right. Let's close on the left. Minimize it. Take English. It will be English here. Okay. It will be Arabic here. That's all. Let's now hot restart. Go to first screen. As you see now, the Arabic language is written. If I change it, so now we have known everything about localization. Thank you. See you in next session.